Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sajjad and today I will teach you how to install Cockpit on Ubuntu 22.04. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. First open the terminal and type sudo apt-get install cockpit y and press enter. Now type sudo systemcll enable now cockpit.socket to enable. Now type sudo apt-get install podman cockpit podman y and press enter. Py sudo systemcll enable now podman to enable. Now check the system IP address by typing IP address. Now open the browser and type the https://system IP 9090. Type username and password of your system and log into Cockpit. I hope you like this video. For more exciting and learning videos, please subscribe my channel.